Let's solve this exponential equation using the equivalence property. So I want to rewrite the bases so that they are the same. Right now I have two different bases. I have a base of 2 and I have a base of 8. I need them to have the same base. So I can actually leave the 2 as is on the left side, and I can rewrite 8 so that it has a base of 2. So if you think about it, 2 raised to the third power equals 8. In other words, 2 multiplied 3 times equals 8. So I can just simply rewrite the right side with a base of 2. Now you still have the exponents here, so we're not going to worry about that right now. We just want to focus on rewriting the number 8. So when we do so, it's going to look like so. And so now that we have like bases, let's simplify the right side. However, we want to multiply it in such a way to where we get the 2 alone by itself. So that's going to involve distributive property 3 times x and then 3 times -6. And what that's going to give me is 2 raised to the 3x minus 18. And now that we have the 2 alone and we have our bases being common, the same, by the equivalence property of exponents, we can take their exponents equal to each other and set them equal to each other. So in other words, you would have x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 8. And from there, you're simply solving for x. You would treat it like you would any other equation. You know, you have to get your variables together by themselves and your integers, your numbers on the other side, whichever side you choose. You know, my preference is always to put my variables on the left. So to do that, I'm going to subtract 3x from each side, and I'm also going to subtract 4 from each side. Once I do that and combine like terms, that's going to leave me with -2x equals -22. Last step to solving this equation is to divide by -2. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, and x equals 11. And there you have it. We solve an exponential equation using the equivalence property of exponential expressions.